Dear self, you have overcome all odds in your life today. Today you're on a different path in your life. Today you have made the decision to be something in life, to be successful and to achieve any and everything you put your mind to.
With me not having a diploma, it wasn't helping, not any. My children were getting bigger. I was expecting, them to go to school, do what they needed to do, and I was like, well, how can I contradict myself and tell them to go to school and do the right thing when I didn't?
You have played around and procrastinated enough. You are a 26-year-old mother of two, and you have a big future ahead of yourself. You have to do this, not only for yourself, but for your children, those whom believe in you and those whom doubted you.
It just felt so good to tell those people who did doubt you, I did that, and I told you I would.
Your mother left a letter behind for you. She stated how much she loves you and how much she believes in you. At the end of her letter, she stated, if you don't accomplish anything else, accomplish school.
I gave my mother something, even though she's not here, something that she always wanted from me.
You have to do this, Laura. You can and you will.
You can't let your past dictate your future. If you stay living in the past and in the mistakes you made and living in, oh, I can't do it, then you're never going to succeed. So I just told myself every day, I can do this, even when I felt like I really couldn't.
Jesus did not bring you this far to leave you. It's time to eliminate anything that will get in your way of this extremely big step you are making. You can do this, girl. Jesus has big plans in store for you and even bigger blessings. You are a leader and always have been. You never followed the crowd. I believe in you, Solara Dinkins. You got this. Your children need to see you do this. You will walk that stage like the boss you are. Love, Solara.
Today, with me being a graduate, I feel like I have so many more doors open, and I just feel really good about it.